Hello everyone, and welcome back to Sawdust and Circuits. Today's video is about one of those purchases you make thinking this is going to be amazing. And then 5 minutes later you realize, oh no. I found a miniature safety machine metal lathe at Goodwill for $22. Retail on this thing is about $150. So I thought I scored big. Spoiler alert, I didn't. Let's get this thing out of the box. First impressions, well, it's small and it's very lightweight. Like suspiciously lightweight for something that is supposed to cut metal. First, let me mount the base. I had to use my own screws just to mount the base on this thing, and the clearance holes were not even big enough, so I had to drill those out. That alone should sum up the quality control and pride put into this unit. Moving on. Before we try any cutting, let's check how much runout the chuck itself has. Yeah, it looks like about 2 thousandths, which isn't terrible. We're not talking precision tool territory here. Alright, let's do a little real-world test. I've got an aluminum tube here, and I'm going to take the outside diameter down so a bearing can fit on it. Simple job, right? As you can see, this is already struggling and deflecting, and I'm making a very light pass here. The feeds are inconsistent in how they feel, and the tool post feels like it's flexing. And the finish, yeah, it's more like a textured cut than a machined part. After a few passes, I got the OD close enough for the bearing to fit. But this is not something I would trust for anything critical, or non-critical, really. Anything. So for the final verdict, would I pay $150 for this? Absolutely not. Would I pay $22 for this? Honestly, still no. There's some functionality here. If you want to say you own your own lathe and you only plan on cutting butter, maybe this would work for you. But for actual metalworking, this is more like a toy than a tool. It might find a place in the shop for really soft materials like plastic, or some repair work. But if you're looking for a real lathe experience, save your money, buy something used from a brand you recognize, and buy something that weighs more than your toaster. That's it for today's little adventure. If you've enjoyed watching me waste $22 so you don't have to, hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss the next questionable purchase. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.